Welcome guys to this content again. This time I will show you how to copy A3 paper and how to properly put. For its settings on the monitor, select A3 paper option. And if the two-sided option is a setting for two-sided copy, either from above or from below. Density option is to darken, black, contrast or fade. Then click the OK that's on the monitor screen. If you put paper from the top of the machine, the tutorial is like this step that I did. When we put A3 paper from the top, the machine will automatically respond.